Hi everybody, my name is Caolan McBride. I am a professional magician. I thought it would be fun if I showed you some of my magic secrets so that you can be the magician in your own home. The first trick that I'm going to show you uses a coin. I'm going to use this pound coin. You also need a magic wand. Here's my magic wand, but you may not have a magic wand at home, so just use a pen. We'll need that in a second. We also need a little square of paper. I'm going to wrap the pound coin safely inside the square of paper. I will fold it bit by bit until the pound is snug inside the paper. You can even see the outline of the pound. My job is hopefully to make that pound disappear. To do that, I'm going to use my magic wand pen. I just wave the pen, give it a tap. I think that should do it. And now the coin has completely disappeared. Here is the secret to the vanishing coin. You really do only need three things. One, a coin. Secondly, you need a pen or pencil. This will act as your magic wand. And third, the most important I suppose, is the piece of paper. I'm using a square of paper. A square works best for this. This is 9 centimeters by 9 centimeters. You can cut them out yourself at home, or if you have post-it notes at home, use those. They work really well. To begin, you need to have the pen in any of your pockets. I'm going to use this jacket pocket, so make sure you're wearing something that has a pocket. Next, the pound and the paper. The real secret is that there is a sneaky way to fold the paper around the coin so that you can steal the coin away without your audience even noticing. Take a look and see how that's done. Begin by placing your coin about 3/4 of the way up the square of paper. Not in the middle of the paper, but about 3/4 of the way up. The first fold that you have to do is the top part folding towards you over the coin. Like this. You fold the top part down, taking your time, until you just cover the edge of the coin there. That is fold number 1. I'll show you again. The coin begins about 3/4 of the way up. The top part folds down just over the coin. Fold number 2 is left to right. So that's this piece folded away from you. Then you fold this piece away from you right to left, like this. That's fold number 3. Finally, you must fold this bottom part, but fold it away from you, like that. That's away and up. This leaves the coin in the square of paper, but there is a gap at the bottom. From the audience's point of view, they can't see the gap, but when you hold the paper by the sides, the coin will fall into your hand. That's the sneaky part. Now that you know how to fold the coin properly inside the paper, this is what you need to do next. You show both sides of the square of paper, but when you turn this around to show the audience, you don't want them to see the gap and the edge of the coin. So when you turn it around, cover that bottom part, the gap, with your fingers. That way you can show them the outline of the coin against the paper. Turn it back around so it's facing you. And as you saw, what you do is you sneakily let the coin fall into your hand as you're holding the paper like this. The coin is now in my hand and not in the paper. So how do you get rid of the coin? Well, when it falls in your hand like this, take the paper with your other hand, reach into your pocket and take the coin with it. Drop the coin in your pocket as you take out your magic pen. Okay? I'll do it again. The pen is in the pocket. The coin has dropped into my hand secretly. I take the paper in my other hand, then this hand goes to my pocket, leaves the coin and takes out the pen. At that point, you make a magic wave and tap the paper and you can put the pen away again. The coin is already gone, but your audience still think it's there. So, to do the magic, you act like it's gone, then you can tear the paper. Give it one tear, another tear, throw the pieces, and if you can, give it one last tear. You really want to let the pieces fall and flutter everywhere. That way it shows that the coin is truly gone.